In this video, I will show you how to clear RAM cache in one click. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. Clearing your RAM regularly can improve performance, giving your PC or laptop more resources by getting rid of old, cached data you no longer need. To achieve this, we will use a well-known utility called Windows Memory Cleaner. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the download link you'll find in the description below. On the page, scroll down and click on the download button to get the program file. Once it's downloaded, open your Downloads folder. It's a good practice to move this portable program somewhere safe. I'll copy it, go to my C drive, create a new folder here called Programs, and paste the file inside. Now double-click the program to run it and select Yes on the security prompt. This is the main interface. It might look complex, but we're just going to change a few key settings to automate the process and make our lives easier. Enable the following options. This will make Windows Memory Cleaner run automatically at startup and stay quietly in your system tray. You can also set a custom keyboard shortcut to manually clear your RAM. Simply click here to set the first key combination, like Ctrl+Alt, and then choose your preferred letter key. Now let's run it once manually by clicking the Optimize button. The program is now actively clearing your system's memory cache. After it's finished, a notification will pop up indicating that the process is complete and showing you exactly how much memory was freed up.